Hey, what is up guys, welcome back. Captain here, back with another video. So Canon revealed additional detail regarding its upcoming new Canon EOS R5, the 8K video camera. In this video we're talking about the upcoming Canon EOS R5, the 8K video camera. This is my first video I make on the DSLR camera. So Canon has revealed additional video centric detail regarding its upcoming EOS R5 camera. In a short press release, the company revealed several key pieces of information specific to the video recording aspect of this much anticipated camera that will be the first in the company's history to do 8K video recording. Starting off with the 8K video, the EOS Canon R5 will do 8K video recording raw internally video up to 29 by 97 fps. If you don't want to do raw, you can also add additional shoot in 29.97 fps in 4:2 by 2 10-bit Canon log or 4:2 10-bit HDR PQ booth in h.265. For those who are interested in 4K, the EOS R5 can do 4K internal video up to 119.88 fps in 4:2 10-bit Canon log or 4:2 10-bit HDR PQ, or you could record externally up to 59.94 fps. Canon has confirmed that there will be no crop in either 8K or 4K mode, and that the camera will utilize the full width of the sensor. You will also have access to Canon excellent dual pixel CMOS AF in all 8K and 4K models. Perhaps more important than sheer resolution, the EOS R5 will also feature 5x in-body image stabilization, which works in conjunction with the optical image stabilization in many of the RF and EF mount lenses. Lastly, the EOS R5, the Canon will have a dual card slot featuring a CF Express and SD UHS-2 each. As mentioned before, only the video specifications were announced today, as this is the primary focus of the camera. Still, features should be revealed closer to the launch whenever that it's. As a side note, the company also launched the EOS C300 Mark III cinema camera today, which is also featured 4K at 120 fps with its super 35mm dock sensor and new Digic DV7 image processor. The C300 Mark III is priced at around $10,999. So guys, what do you think about the upcoming Canon EOS R5, the 8K video camera? Let me know in the comment section. This is a really amazing camera because it supports 8K video. And by the way, if you want to buy any DSLR camera, the affiliate link in the description, and if you want to buy the new Canon C300 Mark III camera, link in the description, go and check it out. So guys, let me know in the comment section, and also like this video and subscribe for more cool tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.